Meaning of day boy.
Day boy.
Day boy.
Day boy.
Day boy. Day boy refers to a student who attends a boarding school during the day but returns home in the evenings, as opposed to a full-time boarder who lives on campus year-round. This term is often used in British boarding schools and can suggest a less privileged or prestigious status compared to full-time boarders. Day students typically participate in academic classes and extracurricular activities alongside boarders but may miss out on some of the social aspects of boarding school life.